Dear UR students and staff, the UR Library Services welcomes you to this short video in which you will learn how you can access UR Library ebooks and e-journals remotely. The video demonstrates the process of accessing UR e-resources via proxy, LibHub, and Research for Life portals. The e-resources such as EBSCOhost, Springer Nature, Emerald Insight, IEEE, ProQuest, Asabe, TEAL, Research for Life, and Wiley provide access to e-resources required to support learning, teaching, and research activities in all academic programs at UR. Please visit the UR Library website at library.ur.ac.rw for a complete list of e-resources. The usernames and passwords for Proxy and Research for Life portals can be obtained by contacting the persons whose details are provided at the end of this video. To access e-resources remotely via Proxy and LibHub, please select one of the options below. Either paste the proxy URL in a browser and follow the steps described in this video to access UR e-resources remotely, or visit UR website at ur.ac.rw and select Library from main menu, or visit the UR Library website at library.ur.ac.rw. Hover the cursor on Search and Find and scroll down on the drop-down menu to where you see Remote Access to e-resources as depicted in the screenshot below. Click on Remote Access to e-resources and the login page on Proxy will open. Enter the proxy username and password as shown below. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at a page that bears a link to the integrated search system as shown below. Click on Integrated Search System to open LibHub, which will enable you to search seamlessly across a wide range of UR e-resources such as e-journals, e-books, standards, and case studies. Enter the search terms of the topic you are looking for in the search box as shown below. For purposes of this demonstration, I searched for genocide in Rwanda. Scroll down and browse the results to find the most appropriate resource. Click on the title of your choice and select PDF to the right-hand side to download the full article. Please read online or save the full article. To access Research for Life e-resources remotely, please follow the following steps. Research for Life databases include Hinari for Health, Agora for Agriculture, Forestry, Fisheries, Climate and Food Security, OARE for Environment, ARDI for Innovation and Technology, and Goali for Law. Please note that e-resources from Research for Life cannot be accessed via the proxy. Please follow the steps below to search for e-resources from the Research for Life portal. Type Research for Life or paste the Research for Life URL in the browser. Click on Login as shown in the screenshot below. Type the Research for Life username and password in the secure login page below. Click on the database that corresponds to your discipline as shown below. Enter search terms in the search box, browse results, and download your selected title. Alternatively, you can paste any of the links below in a browser, which will take you to a database that deals with a particular discipline, and use Research for Life username and password to log in. For any further information, support and clarification, please contact UR staff using the contact details below. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share with other UR students and staff. Thank you for watching.